YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Still on the same journey with the radiator problem. Well, now I'm currently just checking out. I'm going up the 15. I'm actually on the 81 in Pennsylvania. Going on the 15 to go onto the 90 to get back into Canada. But on the 15, well, on the 11 that turn into the 15 is a lot of hills. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check the radiator to see what's going on. I spotted a small leak this morning. I should have video and show you guys, but I'm not sure where the leak is coming from. I'm gonna go back to look where the water, the coolant level is, and also I'm gonna show you guys the wet surface around the area. But I'm gonna take on that hill, so I want to make sure that everything is okay, and I hope this would get me back into Canada to get fixed. You know what I mean? So yes, Troystarz on the journey.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Okay, YouTube. Now this is the coolant level. Hold on, let me look around the other side. Okay, this is the coolant level. You can see it's just taking. You can see where it's spraying on this side of the engine, basically, because it can't really build the pressure, right? Yeah, so let me take a look at the top. Okay, so this is what happening. It's spraying out from somewheres. I'm not sure exactly where it's coming from, but I assume it's somewhere right here. I'm not sure. Because I can see like coolant here and coolant there. When I squeeze, I'm not seeing anything, any activity, but when I squeeze this hose, I'm not seeing anything. YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Like I said, I make it into the mechanic, right? Now I'm in Brampton at the mechanic. I'm getting the radiator, new radiator inside the truck. You know what I mean? So the JB well worked, so it helped me to save me some US dollars, take me into my mechanic in Brampton to get my truck fixed. So in this video, I was gonna show you guys just sightseeing of the radiator getting replaced. It's not gonna be a detailed video, just gonna be just a video with the new radiator going inside the truck. So I'm here at Yellow and Got, gonna do the job. So thanks for tuning in, and it's Troystarz trucking. Mm-hmm.
Troystarz. You come from Jamaica, Troystarz. Like your video.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Mm-hmm. What a wicked radiator, like that radiator. Yo! Put it from the middle in. Good stuff. One, two. YouTube, Troystarz, trucking. You're missing them. We finished the radiator at the mechanic. And what time is it? That's about like 3:30 in the morning. That's 3:30 a.m. You know what I mean? So the mechanic work on the truck all night. You know what I mean? So me I talk about when you find yourself with a good mechanic, this is the result. You know what I mean? You can't find a dealer that will take on your problem for you when you're coming off the road. They're gonna tell you like 3-5 days before anything. Yellow, pick up yourself no man.
You see it?
But the world knows you're there no man.
Yeah, man. Then I play.
Alright, see there?
You got that building.
Alright, boss.
Let's go.
Yeah, we never really getting too much of our details with you know the instruction of installing and reinstall and you know what I mean, but
Tired then.
we have a lot of footage that you guys should see already, and you know, of the forklift going in and out. Basically this radiator, the oil from the I shift from the transmission connected to the radiator, two-way, right? Okay, okay. So the radiator of a transmission cooler built internal, right? So the oil come to the radiator and go back to the transmission.
It's just a support bracket for the power steering cooler.
Oh, so it have a
Goes into the radiator.
oh, so the
And those stuff like the radiator take a bit more time to remove.
okay, so the power steering cooler attached to the radiator also. Okay, so it's a lot of attachments. There's a lot of fittings. You know what I mean? You got to make sure you know what you're doing. This thing can't just, you know, want to take out and put in like regular trucks, basically, because, you know, it's technical, you know what I mean? But the mechanic gets it done quick and fast, you know what I mean? And it's a good feeling. But anyway, that being said, we have to big up the JV. Well, will get me all the way from Pennsylvania to North Carolina and back to Canada with just one go, you know what I mean? Back so that my mechanic will get me the job done for a far cheaper price than what I was told in the States. I will leave leave in the description how much it costs to get it done here, you know what I mean, and all the contact to the mechanic. You know what I mean? So you guys can link up, send an email, and do everything. So thanks for tuning in to the Troystarz Trucking. Peace. Have a great day. Please subscribe.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.